The first witness has been called in former President Donald Trump's historic criminal trial in New York. The presumptive Republican presidential nominee is accused of falsifying business records related to his so-called hush money payment during his 2016 campaign. CBS 2 political reporter Chris Ty live for us in the newsroom now with what day one of testimony delivered. Chris?
Joe, in a half-day session of court, the prosecution and defense both laid out how they'll tackle this case by way of their opening statements. Then witness number one took the stand, the former publisher of the National Enquirer.
David Pecker is his name. Prosecutors say he was part of a three-man plot to catch then kill stories damaging to the Trump 2016 campaign. The other two in that plot, Trump himself, who faces 34 felony counts for falsifying business records, and the third, Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, who will testify he funneled payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. In their opening statement to the jury, prosecutors calling it election fraud pure and simple.
Is it election fraud pure and simple?
If you take individual acts, they are not in and of themselves proof of guilt. But what a prosecutor is trying to do is put multiple acts together to show this was not something innocent.
Defense lawyers pushed back, telling jurors President Trump fought back like he always does, and like he's entitled to do, to protect his family, his reputation, and his brand. And that is not a crime.
But he leaves out certain elements, which are the elements of this case. And that is trying to influence an election by falsifying books for a reason that is against the law.
The judge told jurors to use common sense as they work toward a verdict in this two-week trial. The judge also ruled if Trump testifies, he can be asked about recent convictions in trials dealing with business fraud and character defamation. Miller says while Trump could always ignore his lawyers, this ruling all but removes any chances he'll take the stand here.
I guarantee you, if there was any thought of putting the former president on the stand before today, this solidified that you will never see him on the stand unless he totally overrules what his lawyers have to say.
So what's next? Tomorrow, before the jury comes in, the judge could rule on the prosecution's request to hold Trump in contempt of court and fine at least $3,000 for allegedly violating his gag order by making social media posts about witnesses. Live in the newsroom, Chris Ty, CBS 2 News.
Chris, thank you.